Hello my shining stars. So today we are doing Learn and Solve Maths Class 4 by Children Voice publication. So let's start. Chapter 13, Money. Money is needed to buy things and to pay bills. The system or type of money a country uses is called its currency. The currency of India is called rupees and its symbol is this. The currency of India consists of notes and coins. Now warm up. Question number 1. Raman's mother gave him rupees 5 and his father gave him rupees 20. So how much money did he get altogether? So total 5 plus 20 rupees 25. The second, match the value of money with the price of objects. Take your guess, like A part for ball, rupees 100, rupees 20, rupees 5 or rupees 5. So this is for ball, it can be rupees 20. For shirt, rupees 700, rupees 100, rupees 50. So this is can be rupees 700. Now the third one, add the following. You can add like A part 60 rupees, 60 paise and 20 rupees. So what to do? We have to add paise, 0, this is 6, 0, 8, 80 rupees, 60 paise. Similarly, like C part, add paise, 6 plus 4, 10, 0 here, 1 carry, 9 and 7, 16 and 1, 17. So 170 rupees, 50 paise. Similarly, fourth question, subtraction you can do. Now, next we are talking about addition of money. Addition of money is the same as the addition of ordinary numbers. We have to take care to write the rupees and paise in correct columns. It means we should add rupees with rupees and paise with paise. Example 2. Ruhi bought a watch for rupees 3015 and 50 paise and a calculator for rupees 540 and 50 paise. Find the total amount spent. So cost of the watch, cost of the calculator. So we can add it. So the total cost of both the item is rupees 3556, right? Now the next is subtraction of money. We do subtraction of money in the same way as we do in addition. We subtract rupees from rupees and paise from paise. If it is not possible to subtract in the paise column, we borrow rupee 1 or 100 paise from the rupee column and then subtract. See example 2. A sweater cost rupees 1842 and 25 paise and a jacket cost rupees 1037 and 50 paise. Which of two is more expensive and by how much? दोनों में से ज़्यादा कौन सी एक्सपेंसिव है? So sweater cost is more and how much? So we have to subtract. जब भी हमें comparison करना है we have to find the difference. तो दोनों को minus कर देंगे. 5 minus 0 5. 2 minus 5 not possible. Borrow करेंगे. So 12 minus 5 7. It becomes 1. So 1 minus 7 not possible. Borrow करेंगे. It becomes 11. It is 3. 11 minus 7 4, 3 minus 3 0, 8 minus 0 8 and 1 minus 1 0. So the sweater is more expensive by rupees 804 and 75 paise. Assessment 1. Now add the following like B part here. Rupees 328 and 35 paise, rupees 170 and 40 paise. So add these. So add paise first. Then add rupees. So this is the answer. Similarly, you can try second question, subtraction. The third question, Pranjal bought a shirt for rupees 886 and 20 paise and a pair of shoes for rupees 1875 and 25 paise. How much money did he spend in all? It means total. So cost of the shirt, cost of shoes, दोनों को add कर देंगे. Similarly, you can try fifth question. Now multiplying money. Multiplication of money is the same as multiplication of any two ordinary numbers. Remove the dot and multiply as you would multiply for any two ordinary numbers and place the dot after two places from the right in the answer. See example 1. If the cost of a toy is rupees 110 and 25 paise, what will be the cost of 5 such toys? ज़्यादा cost होगी, ज़्यादा के लिए हम multiply करेंगे. Cost of 1 toy rupees 110 and 25 paise. Cost of 5 toys multiply by 5. So simple numbers को हम multiply कर देंगे. So now put the dot before 2. So this is the answer. Now the next is dividing money. Division of money is the same as the division of ordinary numbers. We just remove the dot and divide as we would divide for any two numbers and place the dot after two places from the right in the answer. Like example 1, divide 540 by 6. So 540, 6 से divide कर देंगे, 6 9s are 54. Okay, then 0 here, so 90 is the answer. Now example 2, the cost of 10 pencils is rupees 260 and 40 paise. What is the cost of each pencil? One pencil, it means division. So we have to find the cost of one pencil. We divide 260 and 40 paise by 10. So dot हम as it is लगाएंगे और वैसे ही हम क्वेश्चन में dot लगाएंगे. So this is the answer, 26 rupees and 4 paise. Okay, now one note is here to divide by 10, shift one decimal to the left. Now assessment 2, first question, 15 friends contributed an amount of rupees 1075 and 50 paise to flood relief fund. How much did each person contribute? So what to do? We have to divide rupees 1075 and 50 paise by 15. Okay, you can try this. The second one multiply, so you can do multiplication. ऐसे third है division, and the fourth one, if the cost of one luggage bag is rupees 1026, what will be the cost of 15 similar bags? It means multiply 1026 by 15. Okay, now a bill is a written statement showing the amount to be paid for the goods purchased or the service utilized. Let us learn how a bill is prepared. बिल, जब भी हम मार्केट जाते हैं, कुछ परचेजिंग करते हैं या होटल्स में जाते हैं, रेस्टोरेंट जाते हैं, तो वहाँ पर बिल, वी कैन सी अ बिल, यू नो. सो बिल इज व्हाट? So bill is a written statement showing the amount to be paid for the goods purchased or the service utilized. Let us learn how a bill is prepared. एक bill कैसे बनाया जाता है? See, Mr. Rohit has bought some items from a general store and the shopkeeper has made a bill for the purchased items as shown on the next page. So here, see, items, toothbrush, soap, sugar, detergent, toothpaste, and here rate in rupees per unit, यानी 1 unit का rate है, like 22 rupees per toothbrush, 35 rupees for 1 soap, right? Now quantity, like 4 toothbrush, 10 soaps, 3 kg sugar, detergent 1 kg, 2 toothpaste. So how to find the amount? Multiply कर देंगे, 22 into 4, 88 total amount. For soap, 35 into 10, 350. Then for sugar, 40 into 3, 120. Then detergent, 150 into 1, 150. And toothpaste, 65 into 2, 130. So this is a bill and the total amount to be paid is rupees 839. So assessment 3, first question, make a bill for the following items bought by William, like 15 kg of wheat for rupees 70 per kg, 13 kg of dal for rupees 80 per kg, 15 packs of powder, each pack cost rupees 170 and 50 paise. So if William gives rupees 5000 to the shopkeeper, how much money will he get back? So first of all, you have to make a bill. First you will write the items, rate, quantity and amount. So like items, wheat, dal and powder, So rate is here rupees 70 per kg, rupees 80 per kg dal, and rupees 170.50 paise per pack. Right? So now find the quantity. How much quantity? 15 kg. Dal is 13 kg. 15 packs. Then find the amount and then find how much he will get back. So you can try this one. Very interesting, very easy. Similarly, you can try MCQ, critical thinking and experimental learning. Aptitude reasoning is also here. I hope the concept is very much clear to you. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us for more videos. Stay happy, stay blessed.